This is our 9x48 Bridgeport Vertical Mill. It's a serial number 268858, fairly late machine. 9x48 inch table, chrome ways, which if you see in the pictures are really immaculate. Table is also in very good condition. It's original paint, nice machine. Gonna turn it on. Oh, just letting you know, the cross DRO is working. There is no scale on the longitudinal. You should be able to source one of them. We just opted not to put another one on. And you have a servo feed on the cross. Turn low range. Head pretty quiet. Going to high. Pop out when it hits the stop. And that's our 9x48 Bridgeport Vertical Mill. Thank you for watching.